The Unseen Stranger. In the heart of a bustling city, there was a famous bakery known for its warmth and delicious treats. Every morning, people queued outside for their fresh bread. But what they didn't know was that the real magic of the bakery wasn't in its food, it was in the simple acts of kindness that went unnoticed. One cold winter morning, a stranger appeared sitting silently by the entrance. Emily, the young owner of the bakery, noticed the stranger right away. He sat there every morning, staring at the crowd, never asking for anything. She watched him as days turned into weeks. He wore a tattered coat and had a quiet sadness in his eyes, but he never begged. Intrigued, Emily decided to leave a small bag of fresh bread beside him every day without saying a word. The stranger would take it, nod quietly, and vanish into the crowd. As weeks went by, the stranger's presence became part of the bakery's routine. But one day he didn't show up. Emily waited watching the door for days, but he was nowhere to be seen. The regular customers noticed her distraction, and rumors started swirling. Who was this mysterious man? Why did he disappear so suddenly? Emily couldn't shake the feeling that something was wrong. Had something happened to him? Driven by a sense of responsibility, she set out to find him. She visited nearby shelters and asked around, describing the man, but no one knew him. Just when she was about to give up, a homeless man told her to visit an old, abandoned church at the edge of the city. Emily made her way to the church. Inside, she found the stranger sitting alone, clutching the small bag of bread she had given him on his last day at the bakery. He looked frail, but there was something different in his eyes, gratitude. "Why did you stop coming?" she asked softly. The man looked at her and said, "I didn't want to be a burden, but your kindness, it gave me hope." He explained how he had lost everything and that small gesture had been a reminder of his dignity. "I was once an architect," he whispered. "I have been forgotten by everyone, but you show me." Emily's heart swelled with emotion, realizing the profound impact her simple act of kindness had made. Emily helped the man find his footing again, introducing him to someone who ran a local shelter that helped people get back on their feet. Over time, the stranger, whose name was Robert, regained his strength and began working as a builder in the community. Moral: kindness, no matter how small, can change someone's life in ways we may never know. Sometimes the greatest impact comes from seeing people when no one else does. The power of kindness lies not in grand gestures, but in quiet, thoughtful acts that restore dignity and hope.